I just caught the biggest fish in my life.
Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, pow,
Keep
pow,
them
pow,
coming.
pow, pow, pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow.
Look at that! Oh my God!
Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Corner back with another episode of Corner Chronicles. It's now 2025. Happy New Year to everyone. And pretty much this video is going to go kind of a recap of everything I did last year, just from working, building the bridge, from visiting family, catching cook, fishing, cooking, all type of things. So just stay tuned and hopefully you guys like the video. Also, shout out to StenCy KEY for the new logo. You know what I'm saying? Consistency is key. To all my content creators out there, social media influencers, hustlers, remember, consistency is key. All right, guys, let's get it. If you like it, I like it. Oh, okay. Oh. Gotta come to the hood and get my shit wild, you feel?
More like I'm a raider. Turn back this bitch to the police raider. I seen that cocoa turn red when it.
StenCy KEY derives from the phrase consistency is key. A brand for content creators, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters, gym rats. A brand to remind you that consistency is key in order to succeed. StenCyKey.com. At StenCy KEY on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at StenCy KEY. And remember, consistency is key. So let me tell you about the time I had to stop a burglar and trucked him and made him fall to the ground. So I'm at my friend's crib, and we're chilling. I'm pre-gaming. I'm about to go out for bike week, Daytona Beach. And next thing you know, it's like a scratch at the window. Like, yeah, what is that? So we go outside. Well, first he checks his camera. He can see it's a person trying to get in. So we go outside. He goes to the side. He looks. He starts screaming out, yo, what are you doing? He tells me, yo, go check the other side. So I go run to the other side. I almost trip and bust my ass. He got some rocks in his front lawn. I almost bust my ass. So I go to the other side. Mind you, it's dark. It's like maybe 10 o'clock at night, 10:30. And so I'll go to the other side. I see the guy. And now, mind you, this is what you've been dreaming of. When you're a little kid, you're like, okay, if a burglar comes in, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. And then most of the time, when reality hits, you ain't going to do none of that. You feel me? But so now I see the guy, I'm ready. I start yelling out, yo, what are you doing? Yo. He looks at me and he starts running full speed at me. Now, when I first yell out, I'm hoping me yelling out is going to deter him and make him run away, not run at me. So I'm sitting there, I'm like, oh shit, here he's this is it. It's game time right now. So I'm like, yo, he's running straight at me. He's grunting. I'm like, oh, what the fuck? So he's coming at me, and I wish I would have hit him in my right shoulder, because then I would have really probably laid him out, and he might have been unconscious. But I hit him with my left shoulder. So he's running at me. I hit him, boom! Hit him with the left shoulder. He falls to the ground. And then as he's getting up, he said, oh yeah, I like that. And I'm like, yo, what are you doing? Who are you? And now my left shoulder is hurt. That's it. So I'm backing up, and I'm about to try to hit him with the right. Then he takes his hoodie off, and I recognize the guy. It's a guy that he's a kind of a menace in Daytona. And I'm not fond of him. My homie, he used to be cool with him. I guess they've known each other for years. I don't care for him. And so now that I recognize him, I back off. And now him and the other guy, they kind of get into their argument. But now my shoulder is fucked. But I got the surveillance footage. So in the surveillance footage, you can't really see when I hit him, but you can hear everything. So here you go. Watch the footage.
Hey. Yo. Yo. You see somebody?
Yo, what are you doing? Yeah.
Yo, what the fuck you doing, dog?
That was good. Who are you?
What are you doing, bro?
That was good.
Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Fuck you. You hurt me, man. You hurt my shoulder.
Cece says she
Yeah, I'm on the way to Daytona, but you know I gotta rock the homie shit though. You feel? Got that Court Club on, and also that Coast on. Yeah, Coast, Courts Club, from coast to coast, from Daytona, Los Angeles. Let's get it. And oh, also that StenCy KEY on, boy. You know I got that StenCy KEY on with it. You feel? Here we go. Here you go. You got it? All right, close that.
Good birthday, girl.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aria. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Moana. Yes, sir. She's getting the balls. I see you.
Birthday girl.
I see you. I see you. Happy birthday. I see you. Hey, I see you. You see me? I'm getting old, Elias. You getting old? You getting old too. You getting old, look at you. guys, so let's try it out. We really had fish and egg sandwich like this. Let's see what it's about. That's good right there. Wow. I'm a fan. And you know, they say you can't put cheese on fish. Tastes great.
Look at Sissy. You can Sissy. Sissy doing this.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And also share this to your friends. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel. So if you could share it, that would be greatly appreciated. Also, shout out to my sponsor, StenCy KEY. Remember, consistency is key. To all my content creators out there, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters, remember, consistency is key. All right, guys, let's get it. Chronicles.